Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Streamlabs Desktop and remove overlays. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To uninstall Streamlabs Desktop, begin by closing the application if it's currently running. Next, click on the Start menu located at the bottom left corner of your screen. In the search bar, type Add or Remove Programs and press Enter. Scroll down the list of installed applications until you find Streamlabs Desktop. Click on Streamlabs Desktop to reveal additional options. Select the Uninstall button that appears. A confirmation window will pop up. Click Uninstall again to proceed. Wait for the uninstallation process to complete, which may take a few moments. Once it's finished, you may want to remove any leftover folders or files. Open File Explorer and navigate to this PC. Go to the Documents folder, then look for a folder named Streamlabs. Right-click on the Streamlabs folder and select Delete. Next, navigate to your App Data folder. To access this, type %appdata% in the File Explorer address bar and press Enter. Locate the Streamlabs folder within the roaming directory and delete it as well. Now, to remove overlays, open your streaming software, like OBS Studio. Go to the Sources panel and find any overlays that were imported from Streamlabs. Right-click on each overlay and select Remove to delete them from your scene. You have successfully uninstalled Streamlabs Desktop and removed any associated overlays. Your system is now clean and free of Streamlabs files. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.